thank you for joining us on this very special segment of Why the Fuck Is It Raining? Fight for...
Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. We have Max, the unpaid intern, right here. So he came up last night and crashed at the hotel with us, so he's gonna help us out today, filming wise.
Looking for
yeah.
Ed vote.
It's wet, which is gonna suck. So I don't know. We'll see what happens with the whole rain situation. We just gave Andrew a tour of Daytona Speedway, so if you want to see that, check out his channel, Mustang Lifestyles. Yeah, besides that, you ready to get the day started?
Yes.
Cool. Tane's over there taking pictures. That's the person who takes all of the awesome autocross pictures that I have of the car.
Yes, Ed vote or Todd Cayley.
But yeah, I guess we'll keep you updated with what's going on for the rest of the day. Hey, are you Andrew from Mustang Lifestyles?
No, I'm Larry.
You got the shirt on.
Oh, I got it from him.
Ah.
And if you guys know Nick, Nick Dunlap, he is been invaluable to continue this weekend. He's almost invaluable to me all the time.
Alright guys, so it's now Sunday. It rained a little bit yesterday. As you can see, it's pretty bad today. So we're hanging out over at the Rallycross area. Probably the only place that's not truly affected by the rain. But we are. So I got the camera all done up in rain gear, and we're gonna send Max into a rally car. I don't know which one. Eventually when they start running, which looks like soon. So yeah, we're just gonna wait until that happens.
So what are you doing right now, Anthony?
I am changing tires because it is pouring outside, and Hoosiers don't do very well in standing water. As in, they don't work at all.
What, really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because there's no tread.
They're too slick.
It's just rubber. Well, this is a 200 tread wear street tire. And then this is a slick that's a 40 tread wear. So as you can see, there is no channels to. I mean, this is still a race tire, but it's still a DOT tire. These are just competition only. So yeah, as you can see, there's nothing to push the water away. I've never driven these tires at an autocross or in the rain, so
you're doing great.
This is a different experience. And it gets really slippery right here. The ass end will kick out. Not like that. God, man, I wish I had grip. The puddles are right where the freaking you need to grip at.
Oh, that's awesome though.
It's so much fun.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Guys, so after a terrible Sunday, just rain all day, I got a few shots from the what is it, rallycross and one of the smaller endurance races, I think, but other than that, it was bad and it didn't really film too much. AP changed out his tires to the more rain worthy and did his runs. How was your times, AP?
I don't remember what they were. They were not slow, but not fast either, considering it was pouring well when I was driving.
So yeah, that's the video, the weekend. I'm not sure, I don't know what else to add. You got anything else?
I don't know, it was super fun. Saturday was super fun. Sunday kind of sucked because it was just raining. But yeah,
Saturday worked out well. We all got really red, like forehead's done. Yeah, guys, let us know what you thought. Actually, this was an open event to really anybody, and I think Saturday we had a really good turnout. There was like 500-600 people coming out.
Are we going to Guitar Center or no?
We can. Then the rain just kept everybody away today. I think there was over 100 people, but yeah,
Yeah, yesterday I think the total was like of non-competing spectators was like 540 or 560 people that just came to watch.
Yeah, you could just drive in onto the infield just like we were. Go around. I think the tour buses were shuttling people around each one.
Yeah.
And yeah, you can go and try out each event. You can try out the volunteer stuff. But yeah, maybe next year more of you guys can come. It's down here in Daytona at the Speedway. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let us know what you thought. Like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.